Yeah.
I'm Deepa Joshi and belong to Rajasthan. Basically, a chemical engineer but running a software development company called Convexicon. We deal in GPS tracking solutions. It's way beyond in 2007 when I was working with Pidilite Industries and we were out for a all India meeting in Mumbai and suddenly I got collapsed. I used to get collapsed earlier as well, but that moment, they gave us a line and I used to come back to home. So it was all like that. But there they went through, several tests and I guess they got to know some part of that she is suffering from some disease. So they were very keen with like the bosses. They said, asked me to go back home. But then I said, no, I'm fine. So they asked me to come back to Delhi back and they asked me to go for a proper checkup. When I went for a proper checkup, I was all alone. I went to a gynae. I thought there must be some gynae problems. And the gynae doctor said she's a nephew of one of the Pidilite managers. So she said, you're not facing any gynae problem as of, but you are having, I won't, it's the same line was, I don't want to threaten you, but you are having a brain tumor. And that effect is coming to your gynae problems. That is why you're getting collapsed and facing other problems. I was actually not knowing what to do. I was like dumb. Kisko bolu because I'm very close to my dad, and it was, I don't know. I could not react for 2 days. Then after 2 days, when I went back to office, everyone in the office knew because that those doctors were the nephew of the manager. So everyone in the office knew and they started crying, Deepa to theek ho jayegi, Deepa ye, Deepa wo. I said, don't make me cry now. I mean, after that I suddenly realized that I'm in such a big mess. When I went home, it was a shock to mom, but she was happy. After everything, like I ate, and then my masi says, teri beti ko cancer hai. My mom suddenly fell down. Then dad was not there, he was in the office. So, yeah, she told me I have just 5 years with me. And all those medicines, after a few days I was like in ICU, lying on my dad's lap like this कि आज मेरी रात अंतिम रात है, तो all my family members were called upon कि आज लग नहीं रही और बचेगी करके. So it was all bad, those things, the days. Then I went for chemotherapy. Then I went for 3-4 operations as well.
Wait, you had brain surgery as well?
No, not a brain surgery. My dad said I won't allow you for a surgery because you have to cut and there is no guarantee that you would be back.
Okay.
So they went for a laser therapy which goes through a nose and takes care. The bad part was the medicines I was taking from that lady was increasing my brain tumor. Because when I came I was like dumb. I'm a very talkative person, like blah 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 blah. And 2 to 3 days it all happened that I used to keep dumb. I never used to talk to come out of my room, say hi to my parents, nothing. So my mom said, you go to anywhere you want in India, do your own job or work, whatever you want to do. Take medicines, just go. Just do whatever you feel like and leave house. That was one dream. I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. So I said, अगर 5 साल है, now 1.5 years have already gone. Why not I do what I wanted to do for that 3-4 years and leave that 3-4 years for my life. And that's my brother and we started this software. So we found out there is a doctor, Arun Saroha. There is a doctor. He's a damn good doctor, I would suggest. Arun Saroha in Artemis. Yeah. And I went to him and he said he checked all MRI and everything. He said you're getting the wrong medicines. And I go back and see in my college days, I guess every month I used to go to the hospital and get this line done. And the doctors also said there is a bed fixed है. तो आती है, saline चढ़वाती है, and then you go back. And I used to be happy, like ठीक है saline चढ़ गया, now I'm okay. At that one moment I remember I was senseless for 6 hours in my college days. The doctors could not revive me. They said that she has some heart problem. So I was taken to Visakhapatnam at that moment. बस just ambulance में चढ़ा रहे थे शायद कि मेरे को होश आ गया था. That is why I was not taken to the hospital. So I said now she is fine. So but at those moments, if I could be could have got checked
Hmm.
properly. I thought, be happy, be positive, get the regular checkups done.